Have you ever wondered what makes a car a lemon under the Texas lemon law? Let's break it down for you. In Texas, a vehicle is considered a lemon if it has a substantial manufacturing defect that is covered by the manufacturer's warranty. This defect must impair the vehicle's use, value, or safety. To qualify, the owner must report the defect to an authorized manufacturer or dealership within the warranty period. It's crucial to document all repair attempts and communications. The Texas lemon law requires a reasonable number of repair attempts. Typically, this means 4 or more attempts for the same issue, with the first 2 repairs occurring within the first 12 months or 12,000 miles, and the last 2 within the next 12 months or 12,000 miles. If the defect poses a serious safety hazard, only 2 repair attempts are needed. To prove your vehicle is a lemon, you'll need to show that the defect persists despite these repair attempts. This can involve providing repair records, testimony, and other evidence. The lemon law experts have been successfully helping consumers get refunds and cash compensation for their defective vehicles since 2009. We understand the complexities of lemon law claims and can guide you through the process to ensure you get the compensation you deserve. If you think your vehicle might be a lemon, don't wait. Contact the lemon law experts for assistance. We can help you navigate the process and ensure you get the justice you deserve. Call us at 877-721-4716 today.